What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to episode 2 of the Discord.js series. In this episode, we're going to be looking at message events and commands. So, carrying on where we left off, let's just, get started. So, to start, what we are going to want to do is make our message event. So, it's simply just bot.onMessage. And then we want async message. Apologies if you hear a train behind me, can't do much about it. And that's our message event. So we've got a variable message that we're passing in, and the message event is called every message that the bot can find. So I'll give you a quick example. So if we console.log hello in a message event, and we do node index.js, and if I go Amoeba monitor, drag it across quickly, create a new channel for it, and if we drag it across, if we type anything blah blah blah, go into the console, says hello. So every message that we type, the event is called. That's basically it. Hello, 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 hello. So let's get rid of that. We're going to start off with our prefix variable. So it's const prefix, and then your prefix in a string. Mine's just going to be an exclamation mark. You can make this whatever you want. A prefix is basically the exclamation mark and the ping. So the ping is the command and the prefix is the exclamation mark. We're then going to want to make some checks. So to see if it's a bot that we're replying to, then don't reply. If it's not in the server, don't reply. For example, if it's in a DM, just leave it. And if it doesn't start with a prefix, don't return anything. So let's get started. So we're going to do if message dot content, can't type today for some reason, that starts with prefix, return nothing. So if the message doesn't start with the prefix, don't return anything. Put my phone on silent. And then if there's no message.guild, return nothing. And finally, for now, if message.author.bot return nothing. So if the message doesn't start with a prefix, return nothing. If the message isn't in the guild, return nothing. And if the message is from a bot, return nothing. Now we can do our command and arguments variable. So const command equals, actually no, we'll do args first. Const args equal message dot content dot slice prefix dot length, can't type today, trim it and split it with rejects. There we go. Now we can make our command variable. So const command equal args dot shift dot to lowercase. And yep, that's all good. So now that we've set up the commands and arguments variable and all of our checks, we can now start making commands. So today we're going to make a very simple ping command that just replies pong as your first command, and then in the next episode we're just going to do server info commands and user info commands. So we're going to make our ping command. So if command is equal to ping. So what a command is, basically, by the way, in this variable, a command is the ping part, because it gets rid of it slices off the prefix.length in the arguments. So the ping becomes the command, and that's sliced off pretty much, just in case you didn't know. So if command equals ping message.reply pong, and that's it, that works literally just fine. So if we Control C, node index.js, I'm online, go here, exclamation mark ping, and it replies twice. Did I set it up somewhere else? That won't happen for you, that's just happening for me, so don't worry about it. Yeah, that won't happen for you, it'll just happen for me. I've obviously put some code somewhere. Yeah, it's just for me, don't worry. But yeah, that's basically it. So if command is equal to ping, then run this. There's no need for an else statement, because if it doesn't equals ping, you don't want something saying that command isn't ping, because then only one command's going to work, pretty much. So yeah, that's it for now. I guess we could do a... What else could we do quickly? We can do an avatar command very quickly. So if command is equals to avatar, and this is going to be a quick introduction to embeds. So what we're going to do is const embed is equal to a new rich embed. And what we're going to do is we're going to change our Discord require up here, and we're going to take out the word Discord. We're going to open our curly braces, and we're going to put client and rich embed, because we're using client here and we're using rich embed down here. And then you can take out the discord.client. This will still work just fine, we've just taken out the Discord in front of it pretty much. So const embed equals the new rich embed, and then we're gonna dot set image. It's gonna be message.author.display avatar URL and set timestamp. Just like that. Then what we can do is message.channel.send embed. So what this will do is, actually I'll just show you. I'm online, go here, and if we do avatar, you can see it returns with my avatar, which is it. And you can notice how this side strip is grey. We can add some colour to that very simply. If we just do dot set colour, and if we do red for now, you can, that semicolon's gonna bring up an error, yep. And if we do Control C, woohoo, no idea what I just did there. What the hell is this? Node index.js. Sorry about that. I'm online, go here, avatar, and the side should be red, which it is. So that's a brief introduction to embeds and commands. We're gonna go over some more commands in the next episode, but for now, I'm gonna thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.